There was this girl who was newlywed and she had quit her career to stay with her husband. The location was different. She had to quit her career from a very tier 1 city and go and settle down with her husband in a tier 2 city. She loved him, adored him a lot. She loved the family, and at the same time she was also confused what to do with her skills and experience that she has gained. She had literally studied abroad. She was a topper in India also, and now she's caught up within the decision whether to stay with her husband and go on with a cute little family life or just fly across and pursue her career. She has no idea what she has to do. And then she came to me and she said, Vidya, can you please help me? I am just not knowing what I should do with my life. I mean, there's one side my love and the other side is my career. I want both of them, but I feel it's difficult to have both of them. I'll have to give up one if I go for the other. And I said, how about you having both sides of the world? And she was just surprised. How can that happen? If I want my career the way I want, I would have to leave India. But my husband has a business over here. He cannot leave with me. What to do? And that's how the session began. She kept coming to me for 3 months, and after 3 months today she's having a very successful online coaching business, and she's living her life with her own husband and her extended family. Now she gets along very well with her mother-in-law, which was not the case prior, because she was really frustrated with her own career and she was blaming it on everybody in the family that they were responsible. Eventually she found out that they were her strength. She loved them so much that she was not able to give up on them. And she found a way, she found her own way. And it was just not coaching business, but she understood what is her niche, what exactly is her niche, where she can be very consistent and she will never get tired of speaking on or mentoring or guiding, or whoever comes directionless to her, she'll be the one, a source of light, a guiding light for them. And she's enjoying her profession as much as I do. If you are one of them who is confused after marriage, not understanding how to balance family and career and dreams, then I'm just a DM away. You can just book a call with me and we can get on board and figure out what is that one purpose of your life that will drive you towards your dreams. What is your vision and what exactly you want to do in life with all the skill sets that you have acquired throughout your life. Goodbye. All the best, and I hope you find this video as useful as everybody else is finding it. Take care.